I just wanted to start off by showing you my current layout. It's been quite a while since I have filmed a video. Here is my vanity setup. Here I am. I'm just going to show you the new mirror that I've bought to replace it. This is what it looks like. So this is now what my wall looks like. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I hung this mirror up on the wall. Firstly, I'm going to start off by taking it out from its plug. So this mirror that you see here, I bought it from Amazon and it is USB powered. You can also connect the USB power to a plug, but I needed it as a USB powered one because I don't have any plug sockets on this side of the room. So in this cube here, I've just taken out this box. So in this cube here, it houses its power, which is a, what is it? It is a power bank. And I got the one with the most capacity that I could find online. So I just remove this whole section, or shouldn't have done that. Yeah. So I'm gonna put the camera down for a sec. Cool, so I've just dropped a beauty blender in the process and I have taken out this box that you see in my hand here. So this box, I'll show you how it works. So this box is built like this. I have all of my eyeshadow palettes in here and then just my extra zoom mirrors here. So that fits in just like that. And then within that, my power bank sits on the right hand side of that. So I'll just take this out. So I had to drill a hole in the side of this shelf bit to enable me to plug it in into the mirror. So now I'll be able to take the mirror off the wall. So in order to secure the mirror onto the wall, I attach 2 screws into the side of hangers and then use metal wire so that it would hang on a screw on the wall. So originally the mirror came with the connector port at the back, and when I bought it off Amazon I had spoken to the people directly and I asked them twice. So originally I bought one. In the description it says that the power port is supposed to be on the right hand side, and I confirmed this with them before I bought it. So I bought it, the first one came, the power supply was on the back. I thought, oh okay, maybe it's just the wrong one, it's just one with the power supply on the back. So I returned it and then bought another one, and the second one came with another power supply on the back. So instead of returning it, I just unscrewed all of the screws along the back, opened it up and cut the wires and rerouted the screws to the right hand side. So I had to drill a hole and stuff into the mirror. If I have pictures I'll insert them. But anyway, that is how the mirror is set up. I'm just going to put it back on. So that's how it hangs. And this crack, I'm not sure if I did it just now, this crack that you see here, it's really annoyed me, I've just seen it. But yeah, that goes onto this screw just here. It's kind of hard to put on with one hand free, but we move. So I've managed to put that back. At first I really wanted it flush with it, so I looked online for like loads of different hanger types that I could use to hang it onto the wall. But it's not really that obvious from a distance that it's not directly flush with the wall. So I'm gonna plug this back in. You can see this here. Just trying to find the plug hole. Got it. Oh, didn't mean to turn you on. With this little holder, I got this from Poundland and I plan on spray painting it silver. So I'm going to be using this one. This one is Rust-Oleum and I'll write on the screen the name of it. So it's this make, but I'm not going to be using this one as this is a matte finish and this is a shiny finish. It's just the labelling came off. You can see on this one is peeling off, so I just peeled it off from this one. So here we go, this is the finished product. Just above there, right at the top, you have my travel makeup case. And you have the mirror, 2 shelves. In the original picture that I posted at the beginning, there was a SketchUp drawing that I did. And it had 3 shelves, but I wasn't too sure if I wanted a 3rd shelf. I may change that in the future. I don't know if you can see here, but this paint that I used, it started to yellow a bit over time, so I don't think I'll use it again. I'll repaint that at a later date. If you would like to see a vanity tour, please leave a comment below and I can get that done soon. But yeah, this is what stores pretty much all of my makeup, a bit of hair care, things of that nature, and there we go, that's the finished product. I hope you like it.